Turn right, then turn left. Turn left.
Okay, here we are on the waterfall.
Yeah, waterfall is very good.
What's the name of this waterfall?
Sumampan Waterfall.
Sumampan
And
Waterfall.
when the dry season, the waterfall is very good. The people here come for see the nature, and then take walk in the jungle to find to another waterfall. And then the guests come for see the lot of sculpture in the round of the waterfall. And another still nice when the dry season is good for swim. Waters from the mountain.
Ah,
It's very
okay, you got them
cool.
all here. Swimming.
Very cool for swim.
Very cool. All
Yes.
right, okay.
Good for swim. This waterfall.
Okay, and the
Sumampan.
entrance is 20,000
Yeah, the entrance 20,000 for one
IDR,
person.
20,000 rupiah.
Yes.
Yeah, rupiah.
Okay, here is 20,000
Thank you very much.
rupiah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So-
Okay, guys, so we're gonna go down here. You see, the entrance is 20,000 rupiah. We're gonna find many things. Supposedly, it's going to be better than the first waterfall that we went. Let's go look. We have to see, right? Okay, let's go. Okay, so here, this is the entrance where we're gonna go. And let's go see this beautiful waterfall. Don't know how this is gonna be, but everybody's saying that it's less crowded. It's like out of the path of the tourist, and so it should be better. The sign is very clear where to go, so I believe this is you got some chicken there. Look at this nice flower here, beautiful. I believe these are banana tree, and let's see, let's go down. And let's go see what we're gonna find. All right, okay. I'll see you guys down. Let me go. Look at this beautiful plant here. Okay, let's go. The path is nice and clean, really. You can see that they are actually taking care of everything here. Be careful your step when you go down here, but it's better than the other because here actually you have stairs and piece of walk, so that is kind of a little bit more less hard on you. And I will let you know, but the other waterfall, the first waterfall, is not good for older people, or if you are so healthy, that's not so good. This looks like it's very good. I can hear already the water approaching here, so we will see where it is. I suppose that's here, this side. Let's see where we go in here. Hello! Look how many beautiful people are here. Say hi to YouTube. Hi. Oh, look at that. Let's see. So here you have the step, but they are like the other on the other side. These are kind of better and much more slower, not so strong. And we have a path out here, and let's go see right away what we can see from here. And it looks very nice from here. Okay, never mind. Here we have a little part that is kind of steep going down, So need to be careful here. This is kind of steep a little bit, but look at this. Very, 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 very steep here going down. But we will go down, right? Look at this. Look at this, how beautiful it is. And this is, look at this in this wall. I don't know if you can see this in this wall. All this carving here. Let's go down. Okay, and we got down to the water. We got people there, I guess. Let's see if we can take some pictures. Look at it going down there, all the way there. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Let's try to take some shots from here now, going up. Okay, look at this. This is so beautiful. And I see carving all the way going down here, really. But this come down, so you cannot pass really here. But you can see there you have more all along the river. You have all this carving here. This is like a canyon in. Where this water comes. And okay, let's go up again. And let's go make our way home, because I think I'm a little bit tired now. We had a good day. Let's see if the weather is good in Denpasar. We're going to eat somewhere tonight. Going to see maybe the sunset later, but for now let's make our way. We are over 1 hour from Denpasar, so let's make our way to Denpasar. Alright, okay. Look at this. Okay, so I stopped here to drink a coconut water before we go. It was a really good day today. We saw many things. It's really hot. It's now 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so really hot, and we just climb up from the waterfall. I do not think it's good for older people, and if you have like some problem, not so good, because the beginning is really good, but the last, let's say halfway is good, but the last half is very steep, and from the first half you get to a point of view there, but you really cannot see so much. You have to go down to see them completely, and it's really steep, the last half of the way, and more steep to come up practically, and the stairs are very small. You cannot put your whole foot. Now I stopped here, and a place like this here to take coconut water, fresh coconut water. So we will see how this coconut water is. It's my first coconut water in Bali, Indonesia. I drink many in Laos, Vietnam, Thailand, of course. Let's try how is the coconut here. They have a lot of coconut tree here. It's full. Let's hope that it's sweet. So we got the fresh coconut. It's really good, but it's warm. It's not cold. It's a shame because the flavor is really good. It has a really good taste, but it's warm. So, all right, okay, better than nothing. And rain is coming. It's coming a big storm, so we got to move. All right, okay.
Hey guys, I got soaked, completely soaked. Even with this, it's raining so hard that even this does nothing. The water just comes in from everywhere. My waterproof shoe, the water just went in anyway. I showed you now how is this. This is how it is. It's raining and pouring like crazy. And yeah, we made them home, but you know what? We was missing like 6-7 minutes. and we will have be here. I guess that coconut water cost me a soaking because the 10 minutes that I stayed there, that's what practically it started raining just in the last. I was looking on my GPS. It was 7 minutes from here, from home, when it started raining. So, all right, okay. Well, we are home, so good. I think tonight we're gonna stay here home. All right, okay, bye. So, okay, here we are. So, this is Bali. When it rains, it rains, okay? And it doesn't matter that we had the cover, it doesn't matter that. The equipment, it's all dry. It's perfect because it was in my book bag, so in my back, so the water, the cover was covering everything. But my shoe, practically, what I realized is that the cover was going down like this, and so the water was falling, and the cover was just going in, the water was just dripping in inside my shoe from the side. So it just went in from the side. So I guess in this case the waterproof shoes are no good too. But hey, we had a good day. It was a really good day. We visited the coffee plantation. We visited the two waterfalls. Very beautiful. At the end, I just know us to stop really for the coconut water at the end. That it was even warm. It wasn't even cold. So if I was not stopping for that, really, we would not have been shocked because it just starting raining the last 6-7 minutes. But it was raining so much that I could not see at all, nothing completely. It was just like I cannot see. It was so much water coming down. All right, okay. I'll see you in my next video. Or I will add a little bit maybe after this. We'll see. All right, okay. Bye.